Rao is on the phone line with us. Mr. Rao, what do you think?
Who's speaking?
So this is some headlines today. You'd called in to express your views.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. No, I think this issue has come up only because we've got so distant from the basic values of life in general, and the socio-economic cultural structure of life has changed so much. There's a dichotomy between basic human values and the ground reality of life out in the streets today. And I personally, this is just my personal opinion, I can be held responsible for it. I think if women would continue to be women, this issue would never come up.
I'm sorry, Mr. Rao, what's that supposed to mean?
No, there's a conflict between men and women within the houses, out in the streets, out in the markets, and I think we've come a long way from where we were supposed to be, in terms of prakriti, or in terms of basic fundamental values.
All right, that is your view, and you are allowed to have that. But Miss Agnes, it could be a very dangerous trend. You spoke of how it's finally out in the open, but is it fairly common for personal biases to affect judgments?
Absolutely. We have judges who are sitting in a family court and who make comments not in the course of the judgment, but just generally that, like, I hate to pass maintenance orders. These women just come to court and claim maintenance. Now, in the family court, we see that one of the main reasons women come is to safeguard their economic rights when they are thrown out of their husband's home. They have to come and claim maintenance. So the judge inherently feels that a woman is not entitled to maintenance, and he doesn't want to pass such orders, and he has no right to be a family court judge. Now, we have not taken up such issues, but these issues keep coming. We also have Domestic Violence Act, where within 60 days, the court is supposed to complete the proceedings. And you have cases for 2 years, the judges have not even passed interim orders. Now, these kind of things keep happening, and as lawyers, we do not take it up because we feel that it will affect all our cases. So I'm happy that somebody who's like not litigating lawyer has taken this initiative to bring it out in the open, and we need to do more such things. And the previous gentleman said women should be women and men should be men. I didn't understand the meaning of that sentence. What I mean, women should be women means subordinate, and men should be men means aggressive and violent. What is the inherent qualities of male and female in society that this gentleman was talking about?
Absolutely. It's amazing that how such roles are defined in society. They're okay. People are okay with women going out and contributing to the household income to get money into the house. But when it comes to household work, how women should behave in the house, you again talk about the so-called values, the family values that have been ingrained in our society.